For some time, I've been thinking about doing something to the car. Wasn't sure what I was going to do. I've thought about doing the wheels, but I don't know. Like, the wheels on it is pretty nice, but just probably get some different wheels just because they're cheap. I just have wheels just lying around. Anyway, I've thought about changing the front bumper, do the M1 style, because I love how it looks. But then I just love the M3 front bumper with the GT4 lip. I do love the GT4 lip. I'm surprised I haven't cracked this lip yet. This is still the very first lip I put on this car from day one. That's crazy. Very first lip. But for sure, we're gonna change out the headlights, even though these headlights are really good. You can see pretty well. Here's a pretty matchup example. This was from the G20 series headlights. That's what the design is based on. And what I have here is, well, you've seen the thumbnail already. These headlights are from the new G80 Icons. These are nice. I'm not even gonna lie, these are nice. I've seen them on a white car, but I don't know what they would look like on a black car. I haven't seen anybody put them on a black car yet. There's probably only 6 people here have them. There's only one company currently, well, 2 companies currently selling them, but I did put you guys on these headlights. If you're on my Instagram, every time something new dropped for E90s, I put it out there. Even new taillights came out. I told you guys about it. But most people don't want to pull the plug and back because they think it's too rice or how people are going to think about it. Listen, the E90 platform is like a Supra. There's only so much you could do to it and you could fuck it up. But at the same time, you could do a lot and it looks really good. But this one shouldn't have that problem. It's sealed. And it has a ballast. That actually surprised me, the ballast on the side. It's a lot of information here on this. I don't know if this is halogen or if this is xenon. I did convert my wiring to xenon, and let me give you the supplier's name on Alibaba. You can find them. As a matter of fact, the links for the headlight would be in the description below. So if you want these, you can slap them in. The headlights are only going to cost you $500. They're not $1,200. They're not $2,000. No, it's only $500. Only $500. You've seen my videos before. I just put the steering wheel on this car from Alibaba with airbag. Hella beautiful. And I just did the exhaust. Those videos up. You can go watch them now. I believe I uploaded those videos 2 days ago. Anyway, let's take care of this. Let's look at the headlights, huh? All right, so here are the headlights. There's a whole lot going on in here. There's a lot that I don't know. I don't know what these lights do. I know this is the daytime running lights. That's probably high beam and low beam. Oh, wait. Those are probably high beam. Probably high beam. Because they look like mini projectors. Could be. Could be. I don't know. We'll figure it out after we install, but we're just trying to guess things out right now. Indicator. Probably in the eyes. I did see where you could probably flick it from white to yellow by working on the switch, but I don't know. They say if you connect some red wire. I'm not sure what red wire. I don't see any of that. So I don't know. We'll figure it out after we put some power into it, but there's a whole lot going on in here. I was trying to figure out how we're going to switch from white to yellow, and I was going around on it looking at the headlights trying to see if anything is there, and then I saw some information on the label and it says reminder, switch between yellow and white, open rear cover, you need to switch engine off, lock doors before switching. I don't know. I still don't know if they're talking about this cover or they're talking about this one right here, but we'll figure it out. We'll definitely figure it. Or it's this one here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Figured it out. So we'll remove this cover. Inside the headlight, there's this red wire. You have to disconnect the red wire to get the yellow. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is definitely jack up the car. There's some leaves right in here. It's annoying me, so I took out the vacuum just to remove the leaves. All right, that is done. We got everything out from that corner too. Of course, let's take off the front bumper. All right, we got the front bumper off. There's a whole lot going on behind this grill. Of course, we're gonna have to take off these brackets right here. Got that one out. So we should be able to take out the headlight with the bracket. The headlight is out. Now I gotta remove the other side and do the same thing. Before I install the headlights on the bracket, Let me test them to see if they're working. Honestly, I should have did that before I took out the headlights. But I believe they're working because they told me they already tested them and everything. But let me test them here and see if it's working pretty good. And then I'll move forward with the installation. Of course, I'm gonna show you if they're working. Why would I not show if they're working? Okay. That side is working. This side is working. Let's switch it to yellow because that is currently white. So let's switch it to yellow. Yeah. What you think? What you think? Should I leave it yellow or go back to white? Honestly, what do you think I should do? Did a small poll on Instagram. Thank you guys. Everybody took part. Of course, I'm going with the yellow. So I'm gonna take off the bracket of these old headlights, and then I need to package them up so I could ship them off to this young man in New York. There's a dude in New York I'm gonna send these off to. Anyway, let's get on top of this. The brackets are on. Took me a while because my son is running around doing them all, so I had to do some stuff with him. Thanks for everyone for taking part in the vote. I am gonna add the yellow, so I disconnect the red wire in both. So once we power up, sure, it should be yellow. Let's bolt in the headlights, do a slight power up, see what it looks like. Then of course, put the car outside, wash it off, and you'll see the final look. Oh no, looks, Jesus. Let me wait until the bumper is on. We'll figure it out. Definitely looks good. Look at that. It took me some time, thanks to Dane's help. We had a lot of problems with the gap, especially right here. For some reason, the aftermarket headlights, they don't line up properly, but apparently I was not doing it right. Pushing, pulling out the corners and stuff, but that looks really good. Well, it's finished. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, look at that. And to make it worse, switch off the headlights and put it back on. Look at this. On. Ah, you seen that shit? Yeah. Bro. That's fire. That is fire. Like, it's no justice right now because there's so much glare. But God, it looks so good. Okay, my honest opinion on these headlights. Bro, I love it a lot. I actually love it a lot. I never thought, tonight I went out. I should have recorded those interactions, bro. I pulled in, everybody thought it was a G80 pulling in. I'm like, yo, what kind of new 3 Series is that? Because that is different. What the hell? And then I told him Alibaba headlights, and bro was just losing his mind. But it's good. This is really, really good. I really like it. Even now, just it being off, that looks fire. That looks fire. Sure, I'm taking this car to Monterey tomorrow morning. My boy, I'm gonna drive the Porsche, so I'm good. There's so many nice cars in this traffic right now. It's crazy. Hella nice car. This is clean. GR Corolla, clean. Behind us, my 911. There's a Cayman back there. There's some crazy nice car back there. I don't know what the fuck it is. Ooh, look at that BRZ. That is nice. That's a nice BRZ. Full wide body kit. Hell yeah. Hella fucking fire. Hella fire on the BRZ. But there's a whole lot of spots here that I would want to hit up. I don't know if I can hit up all of them, but there's a few spots. That shit is nice. That is nice. That is hella nice. Nice. Oh, we followed them on the way coming down. They're coming from the bay too. There's a few nice cars coming down the stretch. Well, here it is, boys. E90 with snake eyes. It looks pretty cool, and it actually does look good with the yellow icons than the whites. I'm happy I took everyone's advice. And before you ask, here is the indicators. The indicators are orange, so there's technically 3 different shades of light within your daytime running. So of course you have yellow or white, and then of course you have orange for turn signal. So this is pretty fire. This is nice. Give me an honest opinion in the comment section. You know, what do you think? Is it nice or is it rice? Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.